purchase it. Number 5 is MakerBot Sketch Large Desktop 3D Printer. If you're looking for a reliable and user-friendly 3D printer to enhance your classroom experience, the MakerBot Sketch Large Desktop 3D Printer is the perfect solution. First, the Sketch comes with IST-certified online training, so you can be sure your teachers and students are well-equipped to get the most out of the printer. With over 15 hours of online curriculum and cloud-based project management, your students can unleash their creativity and bring their ideas to life quickly. Not only is the Sketch user-friendly and easy to operate, but it also boasts a reliable, tinker-free design. With an enclosed chamber, built-in particulate filters, and a heated, flexible build plate, this printer is perfect for classroom and home use. Plus, its intuitive touchscreen controls make navigation a breeze. And when it comes to 3D printing materials and software, MakerBot has you covered. The MakerBot ecosystem includes a range of 3D printers, materials, and software options, so you can find exactly what you need to bring your projects to life. If you want to buy the large desktop 3D printer, check the link in the description box to buy it. That's all from us in today's video. I hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for schools. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching. And please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.